My boiled noodles.
It's always impossible to get like meat and veg. Two ways, fried or boiled. For both the boiled and the fried noodles, I'm just rehydrating these gorgeous dried noodles in some boiling water first. Get in. Yeah, so just getting them rehydrated for about half the cooking time that it says on the pack. This is going to kind of rinse them off as well, which is a good thing because then you'll end up with a nice clear broth. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Noodles, 2 ways. Let's try the right fire. I'm going to start with our vegetables. Bit of oil. I've got onions, carrots, ginger and garlic. The eggs and the spring onions are for garnish, but let's start with these onions. Dash of salt. And with onions, I like to put a little bit of sugar. Right, those are looking beautiful, nicely softened. Time for the aromatics, garlic and ginger. Oh, that instantly hits your nose. Right, in with that carrot. And we've got some cabbage. Okay, once it's melted down a little bit, we're going to throw in a little bit of Chinese vinegar. Just a splash. Some lemon juice. And what's the rule when we use lemon juice? Bit of sugar. Right, then lastly just a little bit of oyster sauce because we're going to use more of that in our meat. Oh, this smells so good. That's it, our veg is done. I wish you guys could smell this. Alright, I'm going to put that in a separate container so I can use the same pan again. Less dishes, you know how it is. Right, so if you guys come over to the counter quickly. Over here I've got my meat, which is actually buffalo. But if you marinate it with some garlic and stuff, it's really tastes amazing. Yes, I just put some olive oil and garlic, thinly sliced. And now, I'm just going to give us a dusting of flour to seal the meat. Perfect. You don't want to do this too early because it will soak all that flour up. And don't worry if it sticks together a little bit, it'll sort itself out. Oh, wonderful. Some oil. Great. Just gently encourage it to not be one big piece. Just pick up those chunks of garlic. So the reason noodles 2 ways is because I like fried noodles and Brian really loves boiled noodles in like a broth and everything. So this way we do the work and then we can split it right at the end for how everybody likes it. You'll see. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, I'm going to let it cook there for a bit. That looks gorgeous. Oyster sauce. Come on. I suppose technically now it's buffalo and oyster sauce. I don't know how that's how they make it, but it sounds about right to me. It looks amazing. What do you guys think? Let me know. Smells good. I think we're good to go on that. You always got a taste test. Hot, hot, hot. That is excellent. Missing just a splash of lemon in my opinion. Maybe a little hit of sesame oil. That's it, meat is done. Right, so boiled noodles, getting some hot water on, and I'm using a beef stock cube to go with my buffalo. Yeah, that's going to be the broth. Oh, that stock cube boiling away in the broth. This is awesome. Almost ready for our noodle, guys. Time to add our noodle for Brian
Oh man, that looks so good.
into the broth. And then we just have to wait for it to come back up to boiling again.
Oh man, that's boiling away beautifully. Can't wait to get that in my bowl.
Yeah, it's kind of cool that we power cooked it before because now we got that beautiful clear broth.
Oh, that broth is
Yeah,
so
you
good.
see? Awesome.
Oh, my mouth is watering so much.
Let's plate it up.
Oh man, those noodles look so good.
They do.
You have to spoon them, you could actually literally pour them.
Yeah, no, but we're going for like half portion because, you know,
Yeah,
you
breakfast.
can't eat that much.
Oh, wow.
Put your beautiful broth in.
Oh man, look at that. I wish I could zoom in.
Yeah, no, it's so cool.
Wait a second. Zoomed in. Oh no, I just lowered them.
I'm going to grab your beautiful egg and just cut it for now.
Oh wow.
Oh, gorgeous 6.5 minute egg. That beautiful vegetable we made earlier. Oh, it smells incredible.
Oh man, but look at the noodle. Have you seen the noodle?
Yeah, the noodle looks great.
That is next level noodle, Rick.
So let's pop some veg. I'm going to put some of this gorgeous meat.
Hey, can you believe buffalo tastes that good?
Yeah, if you know how to deal with it,
Yeah.
it tastes amazing. Get you some gorgeous buffalo on there. Oh,
Chuck it wherever you want.
excuse the fingers, gloves please, chef.
Yeah, we
And
your
all of
gloves.
them. And then, wait, we'll go with the egg first.
Of course.
I think just one.
Uh-huh.
It should be uneven. A little sprinkle of the spring onion. Gorgeous. And then a little bit of black pepper.
Yeah, put a little bit of black pepper because the stuff's about to get real.
What are you going to add to this? What do you possibly think could improve on that?
Are you good with that, Rick?
I'm cool with that.
I'm about to improve it. I'm getting a close-up. Seriously?
Go with the fried noodles. We're going to start with our lovely fried veg we made before. Just a little bit of that, one portion.
Oh man, listen to the sizzle.
I'm going to throw in a bit of that meat.
A little bit of buffalo.
Wow, stick to the spoon, guys. Stick to the spoon. A beautiful par-cooked noodle.
Oh man, look at that.
And we'll throw it a little bit of extra oyster sauce.
This is proper fried noodles.
Thanks, sweetie.
We have to buy a wok.
We really do have to get a wok at some point.
Is that how are we making these awesome noodles without a wok?
We do our best.
We gotta get a wok, Rick. We gotta get a wok.
The weird thing with noodles is they just don't want to mix with their stuff. You see how all the stuffs are on the edge?
No, but that's exactly the same with everyone.
It's like what is the physics of noodle? Really doesn't want to mix with anybody else. But anyway, that smells amazing. And that looks super cool. I'm going to plate it. I know it's probably not a big portion for a lot of people, but for me,
That's a big plate.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It's a big plate of noodle. And still needs dressing. Wow, noodles two ways. And this is the fried noodle. But it's still going to get its bit of egg.
A little bit of greenery because, you know.
Of course, a little bit of greenery. That looks amazing. And so, two ways. Fried
Uh-huh.
or boiled.
Boiled or fried? Your choice.
I must say the boil looks pretty amazing.
I think I'm going to go with the boiled, Rick.
Yeah, a lot of people would because that looks incredible.
It
But
looks the best, but the fried
but
always...
I love the fried.
Your choice, guys. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer.
Fried noodle.
Fried or
Boiled.
boiled. And don't forget to subscribe.
That looks really good though.
No, I'm going to eat the boiled. That's mine.
Let's go eat.
Oh man, my boiled noodles.
Super cool.
Oh wow.
That is so cool because that's what you enjoy.
Mm.
Yummy, yummy.
And
I know, the
and
buffalo.
tasty soup.
Mm-hmm. And you get your broth in.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow. This is what it's all about. You get yourself some proper boiled noodles. Check out Ricky's.
Absolutely.
Oh man.
I know. It's like, it's my fried noodle. It's always impossible to get like meat and veg.
It is fried noodle after all.
Oh. That's really good. I love it.
Try some of that egg, Rick. Oh man. That is pretty epic.